Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificates in the UK. So, registering your newborn baby is a legal requirement is essential for accessing like healthcare, education, and obtaining a passport. So, what you'll need to do first, when to register. For England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, as you can see here, you must be registered within 20 or 42 days of the child being born. It's going to be like 6 weeks. And you should, of course, do this at the local register office for the area where the baby was born or at the hospital before the mother leaves. The hospital will tell you if you can register the birth there. Of course, if you click on here, on this local register office, here you'll be able to enter your postcard, an example, or postcode, depending on wherever you live. You just have to enter it out, whatever it is, and click on find the register office. Of course, here they'll give you an example, so let me just go and enter that, and just go and do so, and click on find the register office. And as you can see, they'll give you the register's office that you can register your newborn baby there. So you can go and click on view in Google Maps, as an example, and you'll be able to see the exact location where is it. You can just go and click on directions and it will take you there. So informations you need when registering a birth. When registering the birth, you should know the place and dates of birth, name, surname, and sex of the baby, parents' names, surnames, and address, place and dates of parents' birth, dates of parent, marriage or civil partnership, parent's job, mother maiden surname, and you might not need to give all this information depending on who is registering the birth. And what you should take is simply you'll have to take a passport, birth certificate, deed pool, driving license, proof of address, for example, a utility bill, a council tax bill, and marriage or civil partnership certificate. And after the birth is registered, once you register, as you can see the bill, you may be able to claim like child benefits and child tax credits. So that's how you basically register your newborn baby in the UK. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.